Okay, so the lecture 2 of your fundamentals of computer is here. Now let's see what we have in this lecture. First thing is we are going to go through the characteristics of a computer system. Okay, so this diagram that is on your screen is showing you the characteristics of a computer system, which includes your memory, automation, reliability, versatility, diligence, accuracy and speed. Okay, so you'll have to memorize this diagram, and whenever it is required to mention the characteristics of a computer, it is good if you can draw this diagram along. Okay, so now let's see in details what these characteristics are all about. So first is the speed. A computer works with much higher speed and accuracy compared to human while performing mathematical calculations. Yes, that is true. You all know that a computer works in a much higher speed and with more accuracy than a human being can perform a mathematical calculation. Okay, computer can do that in a very higher speed or in a quick manner. Okay, computer can process millions of instructions per second. Okay, a computer can actually process millions of instructions in a single second. The time taken by a computer for the operation is microseconds and nanoseconds. The processing times which a computer system takes is your micro and your nanoseconds. Okay, that is the reason it is called as a high-speed system, and it can perform mathematical calculation in a very high speed and is very accurate. Next is your accuracy. Computer performs calculation with 100% accuracy. Yeah. Errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy. See, if the instruction that is provided to the computer is faulty, or the instruction that is provided to the computer is inaccurate or having some error, the result that the computer will give you would be consisting of the error. But if the data is correct, the performance of the calculation of a computer system would be 100% accurate. Okay, next is diligence. A computer can perform millions of tasks or calculation with the same consistency and accuracy. It doesn't feel any fatigue or lack of concentration. Its memory also makes it superior to the human beings. We human beings can get tired working continuously, but a computer system would never get tired. So that is the reason it is called as diligence. A computer can perform many tasks continuously. Okay. So next we have versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of a computer to perform different tasks, different kind of work with same accuracy and efficiency. Okay, a computer at the same time can perform a lot of different tasks. You can do calculation, you can play games, and also along that you can use your paintbrush software. Okay, you can design something. So a computer is actually capable of doing so many tasks in a single time. Okay, so it is versatile. Next is reliability. A computer is reliable as it gives consistent results for similar set of data. Yeah, you can rely on your computer system. It is going to give your result consistently with a similar type of data if you are providing it to the computer. Okay, you'll get the same type of result. If it gives same set of input any number of time, you'll get the same result. The same input is being provided to the computer, the result that you will get from the computer would be same. Okay, automation. Computer performs all the tasks automatically. The computer actually performs the task automatically. That is, it performs tasks without manual intervention. See, once you have provided the data and you want the result, then you don't have to interrupt the computer system in between. The result that you will get, the calculation, the output of the data that you have provided, you will get the output automatically. Okay. Then comes your memory. A computer has built-in memory called the primary memory, where it stores the data. See, the information that you are providing to the computer has to be stored somewhere, right? So the primary memory computer has, the data is being stored over there, and then the process would carry on. And the second storage is a removable device. You can just remove it, such as your CDs, pen drives, etc., which are also used as your storage or to store your data. Okay. Now comes your limitations. What are the limitations of a computer system? First is no self-intelligence. Yes, this is true. Computer does not have intelligence of its own to complete the task. They give wrong output if the input given by the human are wrong. Right? So the computer doesn't have intelligence. If you are providing a wrong input, you will get the wrong result. Okay? So computer doesn't have his own brain. It is not intelligent. So the thing is, no self-intelligence. Computer doesn't have any intelligence of its own. Okay. Second, no thinking and decision-making power. Computer cannot think. It cannot make any decision on its own. Right. Next is no feeling. Computer system doesn't have any feelings, right? If you're going to touch your computer system, the computer system is not going to feel it. Okay. So next is dependency on power. Yes, since it is an electronic device, it depends on electricity. So you have to have electricity turn the computer on. You have that power cord which you use to get the electricity transferred onto the computer system, and then it turns on. So it depends on the power. Next is your application of computers. See, now we will discuss the application of computers in various fields. First is your business. You all know that yes, computers are nowadays being used in the business for calculation, for reliability, for accuracy. Okay, so that you can do so many tasks at one time. Okay, there are so many things that can be done with the help of a computer system in an organization or in a business, like payroll calculation, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing employee database, maintenance of stock. So many things you can do with it. Okay, the next is your banking. It is very much important in banks today. To use computer, banks actually completely depends on the computer system. Banks provide following facility: online accounting facility, which include checking current balance, making deposit and overdraft, checking interest rate, interest charges, shares and treasury records. Right? Then ATM machines have which are completely automated, are making it even easier for customer to deal with the banks. Okay, the ATMs that you are using is also a computer system, right? So this is how it is used in banks. Then comes for your insurance. Insurance company are keeping all the records up to date with the help of a computer only. So insurance company also keeps all the data, all the records of their customers, of the stock, of the companies with the help of a computer data. Then comes your education. In the educational field, it is used to transfer data, to provide information to the students, and this is how it is used for your education system. Then comes your marketing. Advertising with computers. Advertising professionals create art and graphics. The graphics are being created, the banners, the designs, the brochures, the flyers, creative emails are being created using a computer system only for advertising. Okay, home shopping. Home shopping has been made possible through the use of computerized catalogs only. You have your so many shopping websites nowadays. You can shop online. These all are only possible with the help of a computer system only, right? Then let's see further. We have healthcare. Yes, computer have become very important part in hospitals also, and dispensaries, labs. They are being used in hospital to keep the record of the patients and medicines. It is also used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. You know about ECG, EEG, ultrasound, CT scan. These are all done with the help of computer systems only. So it is important for your healthcare services as well. Then comes your engineering design. See, computer are widely used for your engineering purpose also. One of the most major area is your CAD, that is computer aided design. The designs that are made for your building constructions or for furniture and all, that is all designed using a software called as CAD. So engineering design, in that field also computer systems are used. Now next comes your military. Computer are highly used in defense also. Modern tanks, missiles, weapons are all computer based. Okay, military also employs computerized control system now. So it is used in your militaries also. Communication. Communication is a way to convey a message, an idea or a picture or speech that is received and understood clearly and correctly with a person from whom it is meant to be sent to. Okay, so communication nowadays, you know WhatsApp, you have your Zoom app, you have your Google Docs, so many things are there. You can transfer data from one end to another, from sender to the receiver. You can send your data, you can send your images, you can send your videos, your audios, text messages. This is sort of communication that you do through internet, through computer system. You're doing it through your mobiles. That is also a computer system, right? Then comes the government. Computer play a very important role in government services as well. Some of the major fields are budgets, calculations, sales tax department, calculations, income tax department, that is also for calculations. So these are some of the areas in which the computer is being used. So these were the areas of computer applications. Okay, now here I have some questions that you have to do it in your notebook. So do all these 4 questions, and I'll see you in the next lecture now.